Hello. Today I have a 2018 Mercedes CLA250 with code P0447, which is a vent valve solenoid or shut off solenoid. And I want to show you what I found. The check engine light is on even if I delete it. The code stays bending. So on the driver's side, under the fuel tank by the rear left wheel, if you go down here on top of the tank, look what I found. Someone was working on here, and on top of the charcoal canister, you see I found that the vent valve is gonna be on the very top of the charcoal canister, and I can show you. Yeah, this valve right here, you see, I was saying who was working here, you forget to connect to the vent valve blood. Let me show you. Let me hold the camera right. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's very tight over here. Yeah. See, I found it like that. So I'm going to connect it and then delete the code. I just want to show you the sensor for the P0447 on top of the charcoal canister right here. So I want to show you now after I connect it. See, the code was like that bending. So check engine light is on. By the way, it's a circuit code. So now I'm going to, every time I delete the code, and it stay bending. Let's see now. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, it's not bending anymore. Should be good. And I want to show you one more thing. So, if you try to disconnect this one, by the way, I believe it comes like one piece, like the charcoal canister with the shut-off valve or the vent valve. And if you wanna remove this, if you search for the picture online, you can see this is there is like a plastic tip on top of this white board. Cannot show it to you, but if you get a long screwdriver and push the lip to the right side and then push the canister up, you can see it's moving. If you push it up, then you can release it, and then you can disconnect the whole charcoal canister. And this one you press down, and that one too you press down from the top, and then pull it out, and then this one will be free, and the sensor connector is going to be on the top. That's it. And if you have any question, comment below. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.